Meet Clive. He's in charge of transport and scheduling for a waste management company. It's a stressful job trying to match customer demand to the fleet's resources. The phone never stops ringing. The most difficult task is staying on top of the diary. Jobs are getting cancelled or moved all the time, and a delayed pickup throws the whole schedule out. Dave works for the same waste management company in a weighbridge. He deals with hundreds of transactions each day as a constant stream of vehicles come on and off site. His job is getting harder all the time as waste needs categorizing into an ever-increasing number of types. Speed is of the essence, but if he gets it wrong, he knows he'll get it in the neck. Debbie runs the accounts office. She has to collate orders, tickets, contracts, and invoices. She uses Sage and a whole bunch of manual systems, none of which talk to each other. It's a mammoth task. And now she's been asked to put in place a price rise to cover increased fuel costs. She doesn't know where to start. Tony is the boss. He's ambitious and wants to expand into new markets, but keeping the books balanced is difficult enough at the moment. He wants to pinpoint exactly where he is making money and where the problem areas are, but the reports don't make much sense. He also can't get his head around the latest EU legislation.
Ouch!
This has just about tipped him over the edge. So how could IWS6, waste management software from P&L, make things better for this waste management company? Well, for a start, Clive is looking a little more relaxed now. Scheduling is a breeze with IWS6, the diary has gone in the bin, and Clive is in complete control of every order and every vehicle. Scheduling is handled by the powerful order processing module within IWS6. The system is highly customizable to each company's requirements. The status of current, forthcoming, and complete jobs can be seen at a glance. Jobs can be rescheduled using the simple drag and drop interface, making management of a busy diary effortless. Jobs can also be allocated to a specific vehicle with a few clicks. The schedule for each vehicle can be reviewed and changed, making it easy to optimize the workload across the fleet. A ticket can be generated with almost no manual input. IWS6 handles everything. Tickets can be printed individually or in batches to save time. In the weighbridge, even the most obscure loads don't trouble Dave. IWS6 makes it fast and simple to categorize waste, process vehicles, and make sure the transfer site runs like clockwork. If it moves in waste management, IWS6 can handle it. Processing vehicles is straightforward. The operator simply selects predefined options on the vehicle, waste origin, and waste types. A ticket is generated in a fraction of the time of a manual system. After tipping, IWS6 allows users to add the waste breakdown for site waste returns. For Debbie in accounts, everything just integrates seamlessly. There's no more manual entering of data, invoicing is a doddle, and nothing falls between the cracks anymore. The financial data and invoicing modules make it simple to manage accounts. Customer information can be called up instantly, including contact details, credit limit, exposure, and payment details. If necessary, an account can be put on stop with a single click. And, when a price increase needs to be implemented, IWS6 can run scenarios and make changes with a minimum of fuss. When it comes to invoicing, IWS6 collates all of the information required and automatically generates the documentation. Nothing slips between the gaps. The system can then email the invoice direct to the customer, saving time and cost. Tony seems to be happiest of all. IWS6 has allowed him to gain complete control of his business. All departments run seamlessly and efficiency has improved. He's making money again. The information that management need is always easily to hand thanks to the reporting module in IWS6. Keeping control of assets is one of the many important tasks made possible. The Outstanding Container Report lists all of the assets that are overdue, gives contact details and even directions to their location, allowing easy identification and collection of assets to fulfill current demand. A summary report shows at a glance the current allocation of resources. Environment Agency returns are handled automatically by IWS6. The system collects all of the information required and generates the return in the correct format, saving many hours of work. Customer history reports are also generated in seconds, giving detailed information on the activities of any customer. And overview reports show the bigger picture, allowing a greater depth of analysis of the business and better informed decision-making. The future's looking rosy for this waste management company. IWS6 is guaranteed compliant with legislation updates, so Tony can focus on running the business. Plus, IWS6 is modular, so it grows with the business, bringing new functionality and revenue streams online when the company is ready. Call P&L today for a free demo and find out how IWS6 could transform your waste management operation.